Hi guys. Okay, so I'm a jeweler and I am based in KL, Kuala Lumpur, and this is a simple studio tour. Yeah, so this is where I'm standing, the entrance, and then here I have my mini pantry, and of course I've recently got the studio some nice things. For example, the tea set, okay, and of course the coffee machine and my rice cooker. They are same color to match with my feature wall here. Yeah, so this is where I meet my customers, people with appointment, and we do the discussion here, we do the planning here, and we do all the meetings with suppliers here as well. Yeah, so this is my work area, of course, and of course this is where I have my meetings, and there are two chairs. Sorry, it's a bit messy there. Yeah, and over this side on the left I have my display shelf, and the display shelf, we are getting the low one as well. It's just not done yet. Yeah, and we can also have the customer to lounge here if you want. Yeah, we just got this from IKEA, nothing fancy. Yeah, and then moving on, of course, this part here is the office area, and this part here is the work area. Yeah, so this is a customized bench for classes. So I use this for to run classes. I can host about 6 seats here, and all the seat is customized this curve shape here. Then you can attach your bench pack. Yeah, your bench pack you can attach here, and then we can do some sewing and whatnot here. Yeah, and then moving on, this is my heavy tool area, my rolling mill, and all the steel stuff, hammer and things like that. And then my polishing machine, my personal bench. I've recently did some alteration to the bench. I saw down 5" of the bench leg, and this is actually the remaining. Yeah, so I got my husband to help me with the sewing as well. I know the technique, but it's a pretty intense workout for a female. Yeah, and I also have my soldering station where I do my solder, and my picker pot, stuff like that. And this is my photo shoot table. I put it right here is because we get quite a nice evening sun, where I can just capture with the evening light, and it's very nice. I love this corner actually. Yeah, and this is another work table. I will later on clear this part and move in my microscope, hopefully next year, because I would love to go to Taiwan for further learn how to do more setting before I put in my microscope here. Yeah, and that's about it. So I'm at the end of my office, my studio, and you can see all the way to the back. It's about 1,000 square feet here. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable for me. So this is my office, and feel free to drop by if you are around. See ya!